Thursday, November 4th, 2021, and I'm going to pull down the fire alarm switch. Ha 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 ha.
It's the fire alarm that goes off. Everyone, get in line, please. The good news is that there's no fire around in this premises, and the bad news is that someone who literally pulled down the fire alarm switch. Do you know anyone who could have done such a thing? I know who probably did this. It was Junior. Junior, get over here right now.
Yes, teacher.
The fire alarm went off. Did you do that?
Yes, I did.
Why would you do that?
Ha 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 ha. It was a prank.
Junior, this is not very funny. We take fire alarms seriously. In that case, I am calling your parents. You are suspended from school. Hello, is this Junior's parent speaking? It's your son, Junior, who had literally pulled down the fire alarm switch just for today. I am suspending right now. Can you come pick him up? Thank you. I appreciate that. Bye. They're on their way right now. Junior, we can't believe that you got suspended from school for pulling down the fire alarm switch. Why would you do that?
Because it's Thursday, November 4th, 2021. I thought it was a prank. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
It was not a funny prank. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them seriously. Your apology is unacceptable. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room right now, Junior, and think about what you just did to the school and the fire department.